Fairyland, an early bird book, a hide-and-seek book. Here is Jenny, the lively brownie. Can you find her? I see her right there. This is Alice, the sleepy pixie. Can you see her? Oh, there's Alice, and I can see Jenny there too. Here is Owen, the happy elf. Can you find him? There he is. Here is Puck, the naughty imp. Can you see him? Oh, look at what he's doing. There he is, and he's trying to tickle her nose. Silly elf. This is Tanya, the dainty fairy. Can you find her? I see her right there. The fairy queen waves her wand. It's party time, she says. Tom the goblin whips the cream until it fills the bowl. Jenny the brownie makes delicious strawberry tarts. Alice the pixie cuts chocolate into squares. Yummy. Owen the elf stirs the toffee bubbling in the pot. And Tanya the fairy bakes a cake as light as air. Naughty Puck takes a bite just as the party starts. The end.